how hard this could be to create PPTs using AI. Today we're gonna see how to create this and this kind of PPTs, this kind of stunning PPTs, creating in just 5 minutes using AI. First up, you have to come up on the website of NotebookLM here. Let me just search NotebookLM. Here you have to click upon the first website, try NotebookLM, click upon it, and it will ask you to create some notebooks here. Click on create new notebook. Now it will ask you to upload some of your sources. As you can see here are upload files, website, drive link and copy text. For now I am gonna click on upload file. I am gonna choose this PDF right here. Click on open and it will just upload the PDF. As you can see, it will take 1 to 2 minutes to upload this PDF. So after the PDF gets uploaded, here are some buttons on which you can click and customize your PDF as you want. Audio overview, slide deck, video overview. There are a bunch of features that you can try. For now we're gonna click upon this slide deck feature. It lets you generate PPTs as you want. Here you can see, you can select language, the length of the PPT, and most importantly the prompt that you wanna give to the AI. For this I'm gonna show you this website right here. As you can see, this website is named as Awesome Notebook LM Prompt. This website lets you generate this kind of stunning PPTs just by a simple prompt here. For now let me just copy this prompt right here. I'm gonna copy the prompt from right here and paste it into my NotebookLM. Let me just paste it and click on generate. As you can see, our slide deck is being generated here. It will take roughly 5 to 10 minutes to generate. So after 5 minutes, here is our PPT right here. Let me click upon it and here is the view of the PPT. As you can see, it generated all these visuals by itself in just uploading the PPT and the PDF by myself. As you can see, you can play this PPT right in your computer. There are multiple pages, stunning visuals, all for free and just 5 to 10 minutes of the time. So if you want this kind of PPT from yourself using AI, so I am giving you the complete list of all this set of prompts that you can download from the description. Hit the link in the description and get all these prompts. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to ArcVault right now.